Shishu Asana or the child pose supports the nervous system and adrenal glands, encouraging relaxation through the whole body. Forward folds like these are good for encouraging deep sleep. This pose also powers up your immune system by stimulating the lymphatic system. Kneel on your mat with your knees hips width distance apart and your big toes touching behind you. As you exhale, drop your hip back towards your heel and allow your torso to drop over your thighs. Reach your arms out in front of you and drop the elbows down toward the floor. Roll your shoulders away from the ears and let the neck grow long by reaching the crown forward. Bhujangasana or the cobra pose improves metabolism and digestive system. You can do this asana in the morning or evening, but your last meal should be at least 5 hours ago. It also improves your immunity, kidney function and elevates mood. Start by lying down on the floor on your stomach with your feet together. Keep your palms under your shoulders. Press down your palm and lift your upper body to resemble the raised hook of a snake. Tilt your head back and roll back your shoulder. Hold this position for about 30 seconds and then return to the original position. Viparita Karani or legs up on the wall pose increases circulation to heart, brain and digestive system. It is highly restorative and brings calm to both the body and the mind. This restorative effect is powerful for the immune system since the parasympathetic nervous system is activated. Relieves stress, headache, migraine, insomnia, anxiety and menstrual cramps. It is also known to help with fertility problems. Lie down on your yoga mat on your right side, buttocks close to the wall. Roll onto your back and let the legs swing up to the wall. The body is at a perpendicular angle now. Legs straight, heels resting against the wall. Rest your arms at your side or bring your hands to your belly to rest. Breathe easily and stay for a few minutes, up to 10 minutes. Close your eyes and allow your whole body to relax. Tadasana or the mountain pose is also called the mother of all yoga poses. Do it on an empty stomach. It improves your digestion and restores balance, increases awareness, improves blood circulation and calms your mind. Begin by standing straight with your feet together and your hands at your sides. Raise your hands up towards the sky and stretch your body. Now lift your heels and stand on your toes. Hold this position for about 30 to 60 seconds. Vrikshasana or the tree pose is another excellent yoga asana for improved immunity. While you do this pose, keep your eyes open and maintain the balance. Do it early morning on an empty stomach and fresh mind. Start by standing straight with your hand at the side and your feet together. Now shift your body weight to your left leg and lift your right leg. Keep the right foot on the inner thigh of your left leg. Now join your palms in front of your chest and then raise it above your head. Make sure your head, neck and back are in a line. Hold this position for a minute and then do the same on the other side.